the mutation that amplifies. It starts at between the 3rd and 4th month. I think it's like the 103rd day after fertilization, still in the womb, between the 3rd and 4th month, and then it amplifies at 3 years 7 months period, then like 11 years 7 months period, then 22 years 7 months period. So it amplifies each layer. So there we have blocks of ourselves that are carrying trauma imprint that prevents us from actually being able to run the natural healing frequencies. We will have to heal part of that ourselves in order to be able to run enough frequency to assist the waters in healing. But if we can jumpstart the natural hydrolase conversion in the waters, where the water gets back its spirit body, in simple terms, that's what it means. It means that water molecules right now have a polarity reversal that is causing them to actually repel from their natural spirit body counterpart. The natural spirit body counterpart of atoms or elements here are called the adjugate twins. And the adjugate twins, when adjugate twins come together, they create celestaline, the transient element that isn't on the chart. It's like 144 plus. It's the plus. Because when that forms, that is when the matter form and the spirit form come together and turns into light and has all sorts of freedom of mobility to move and to heal. When you take that into water, what assisting the water to regain its natural spiritual counterpart, what that will do is progressively, not all at once, but bring it back little bit by little bit to the natural types of water that I described to you earlier, that look like very, very clean, pretty blue swimming pool water. And they even have a very light, but not unpleasant, different kind of chlorine smell. It's not that heavy, gaggy chlorine smell that you get in chlorine here. It's a much lighter one. It smells clean. There's a clean smell to it that you just kind of, that feels good. That water, the difference between their water in the Ascension Earth, Slide Zone 3, and the waters here, is the fact that they do not have a reversal on the polarity orientation of the molecules of water, on the elemental atoms they're made out of. So they have their natural spiritual counterpart connected to them, which means at certain periods of time, the planet itself breathes and cycles, and it does a natural what's called hydrolase conversion, and that we'll get into later. It has to do with liquids turning into gases and forming atmosphere, and what type of atmosphere and what type of liquids, and natural breatharian anatomy that actually goes with that was the original angelic human anatomy. This planet has been harmed. It has been terribly harmed. Even its water is in pain. And we have the ability, because we still have the genes left, even though they're dormant, we still have the genes left in our gene code that can jumpstart hydrolase conversion in our own body, get us back to, not all at once, but progressively get us back to where we can heal the imprints, or the karmic imprints, from the point in the womb where fetal integration got messed up because of the Metatronic mutation in the gene codes, all the way up through to where you can get your own body clock back into the natural cycles that should be like what would have been the natural age things. It's literally like reprogramming your past out of the mutation, and from the future point that you are, because we have the frequencies available now that allow for what's called raising the iridonis. We will be able to send back in time, back through our cells in time, to the points of ourselves at those ages when the mutation amplified, and work ourselves literally back out of it. It will also give our own bodies a better chance of healing than we've ever had, as far as the physicality, not just the spirit body and the light body, but the physical body as well. Everybody's body will work different, and everybody has a different set of karmic miasmic imprints to purge. Everybody's life experience has been different than each other, but there are